Hello and welcome to another lecture in LangFlow and LangChill course by Tech Latest for Tech. So far, we had covered a lot of things like introduction to LangFlow and no-code AI development. Then we had covered understanding the LangChill framework. Then we had covered how to get LangFlow provided by Tech Latest.net or AWS, GCP, and Azure. Basically, we cover all the three cloud platforms, like how to set up VM and other things. Then we had covered explore the LangFlow user interface. Then we had covered building the first AI application with LangFlow. Then we have covered customizing language models in LangFlow. And then we had covered integrating third-party tools and services. Then now in this lecture, we're talking about advanced features and functionalities in LangFlow, like what is the workflow automation, real-time monitoring, collaborative development, scalable infrastructure in LangFlow. Okay, so we'll explore some of the advantages, like advanced features and functionalities in LangFlow. A powerful open source platform for building and deploying large language models. LangFlow offers a wide range of tools and capabilities that enable developers to create and sophisticated AI application with ease. We'll dive into some of the key features that set LangFlow apart and discuss how they can help you build a more efficient and effective AI system. Okay, so modular architecture. One of the standout feature of the LangFlow is its modular architecture. The platform is designed to be highly flexible and customizable, while allowing developers to easily integrate various components and libraries into their workflows. This modular approach makes it easier to experiment with the different models, data sets, and techniques, ultimately leading to more efficient and effective AI systems. Then interoperability with popular libraries. LangFlow seamlessly integrates with popular libraries such as PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Hugging Face transformers. This interoperability allows developers to leverage the strength of these libraries while still benefiting from the powerful features and functionality of LangFlow. By combining the best of both worlds, developers can create more robust and capable AI system application. Then distributed training inference. Uh, LangFlow supports distributed trainings and inference, enabling developers to leverage the power of multiple GPUs or CPUs at cores to speed up the training and deployment of their models. This feature is particularly useful for large-scale language models that require significant computational resources. By distributing the workload across multiple devices, developers can reduce training system and improve the performance of their AI system. Scalable and efficient inference. LangFlow distributed inference capabilities ensure that your AI application can handle a high volume of requests without compressing performance. The platform optimizes the inference process by leveraging techniques such as batching and parallel processing, allowing your models to respond quickly. Monitoring and logging. Effective monitoring and logging are essential for developing and maintaining robust AI system. LangFlow provides comprehensive monitoring and logging tools that allow developers to track the performance of their models, identifying issues and optimize their workflows. The platform offers detailed matrices, visualizations, and logging capabilities that developers gain insight into the behavior of their AI system. Experiment tracking and versioning. LangFlow experiment tracking and versioning uh, features enable developers to keep track of their models, iterations, and experiment. These functionalities is particularly useful when working on complex projects with multiple team members or when exploring different approaches to model development. By maintaining a clear record of changes and experiment, developers can easily reproduce successful models and share their work with others. Deployment and serving LangFlow simplifies the deployment and serving of your AI models, making it easy to put your models into production. The platform offers a range of deployment options, including containerization with Docker and deployment cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. LangFlow also provides built-in serving capabilities, allowing you to expose your models as an API for easy integration with other applications. LangFlow scalable and secure serving. LangFlow serving capabilities are designed to be scalable and secure. The platform automatically scales your models up or down based on demand, demand, ensuring that your AI application can handle fluctuation in traffic. Additionally, LangFlow provides robust security features such as authentication and authorization mechanism to protect your models and data from unauthorized access. So let's move to LangFlow user interface. We have already explored LangFlow user interface in our previous videos, but in this lecture, in this video, we will show you some advanced feature in LangFlow. If you click on new project, so here you can see that you can create a new project settings. If you click on settings, so you can create a new project or something like this here from this option. Okay, and after this, if you click on this, so oops, like you missed something. No nodes found in the flow. Please at least one. So this is for node, and okay, and after this, if you click on this, so this is for a zoom. If you want more zoom, so this is for zoom. If you click on this, so this is for fit view basically. Okay, so these all are the options in LangFlow. Like I am founding some points in this lecture. Okay, already covered those points in this lecture. Okay, and if you like click on profile settings, so you can also set up your profile. Okay, and if you click on admin page, so you can see the admin page here. Then if you click on my account, so this is your my account. Like yes, so this is the account and for components you can uh, start from here. And for flows you can see you can see the flows. Okay. And if you check the line flow documentation, so you can see that I'm talking about a lot of things. So here you can see that like deployment options are also like deployment on Google Cloud. We have already do this stuff in our previous lectures. Like you can use all the platforms. Okay, so you can also see the examples, some of the examples made by mid-journey prompt chain, and you can see the step-by-step guides like a sync APIs integrating documents with prompt variables, build chatbot system messages. So you can do this stuff with the LangFlow also. Okay, and after this, you can see the agents chains. We have already explored these options, and you can see the guidelines. So if you are facing any problem in lectures or in LangFlow, so you can check the documentation of LangFlow also. So simply you can type the docs.langflow.org, so you can find all the documentation. Okay, so that's all about this lecture, and I hope you guys like this course and like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And yep, uh, thanks for watching us. We will meet in next video.